most, even not, some non-Indian grocery shop will have this as well. Hello. Nice to see you again. Thank you very much. It's Mr. Zayani here, and today I will be making chicken curry, but South Indian style. So let me show you what I'm going to be using. But before I do that, here's some coriander pods, about 3 to 4, maybe 5 teaspoons of coriander pods. I'm gonna roast them. Yeah, I think that will do. That's about enough. Anyway, so as I'm making South Indian curry, this here is absolutely essential, and this is fresh curry leaves. It doesn't have to be fresh, but you have to have curry leaves. So depends on where you live in the country or whereabouts in the world, you might not have access to this, but you will have to use this, I'm afraid, fresh curry leaves, and purely because the absolute aroma comes from this. Absolutely fantastic. Anyway, so my coriander pods are roasting very nicely. So let me show you. What I'll be using. So I've got here 400 grams of boneless chicken, and as I'm a leg man, you know, I prefer the legs to the breasts. So I've got some oil. From my spice tray, I'll be using salt, turmeric, and chili. And I've got a can of coconut milk there, some mustard seeds, curry leaves, a couple of onions, and a few green chilies. Okay, so when the coriander pods are roasted, in they go into some mortar, grind them up. As always, we start off with a bit of oil into the pan. As we wait for the oil to heat up, we can get our rest of our ingredients ready. About 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, so as the mustard seeds start to pop, in goes the onions and green chilies and the fresh curry leaves. Now, South Indian curry or dishes are not South Indian dishes if you haven't got fresh curry leaves in it, and the smell is absolutely fabulous. It really is. So we cook that for a couple of minutes, and then some salt to taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, chili powder to taste, and of course our grounded coriander in there. We want to cook it for a minute or so, just to get rid of the smell of the other spices that wasn't roasted. Add a bit of water to bind it all in. The spice has been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes now. I'm adding the chicken. Give it a good old mix. Oh guys, I keep on saying, I wish you could smell this. It is absolutely fab. And so we're going to cook the chicken at relatively high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. So the chicken's now been cooking nicely for about 4 to 5 minutes. It's time to add our coconut cream or coconut milk. There it goes. Oh, lovely. Now turn up the heat, give it a good mix, and we will now let that cook for approximately another 5 to 6 minutes, and we'll reduce the heat and let it simmer for about another 5 minutes. Wow, I'm just drooling over this. I can't eat it yet. I just took it off the hob, still hot. But man, this is absolutely... Oh, I haven't tasted it yet, but I know it's going to be nice. I can guarantee you're not going to get this curry in any restaurant that you go to. The closest you might get is years and years and years ago, there's a dish called the Ceylon in Indian restaurants. No one does it anymore because it's a dish that's gone out of date, but believe me, you don't have to grind your own coriander pods. You can just use coriander powder, but I think with the coriander pods you get that distinct flavor and you get the gritty of the coriander pods as well, and that's also quite nice to bite and eat. So guys, here we go. And here we go. Is it still too hot? It was hot, but nice. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The fresh curry leaves. Oh, such a unique flavor of this curry. I tell you what, you try it, you'll love it. Here we go again. Sorry, I just got to take another one. Oh. The creamy coconutty sauce with the fresh coriander, fresh curry leaves. Oh wow, wow, lovely, great, wow. Even if I do say so myself, but guys, as I said before, if you try it, there's no doubt in my mind that you'll love it. Give it a go, see what you think, and thank you so much for joining me again. It's Mr. Zayani's channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button, and that little notification button, hit that one as well, so when I upload my new videos you can get to see it immediately. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now, and I'm gonna go back in there again. Of course, that is that nice. I'll get a big piece.
Stop and make me something vegetarian now.
Chicken was vegetarian. Lovely. Bye guys, thank you very much.